All right, now this has a little bit, basically a preview if you're here. If you're here, you've done a lot of work. That's great. All right. This has a preview of what's going to happen in the 8-3 stuff that we'll do next. So we got A is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. B is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And it says find point B. So this is A, this is H, this is R. So it says AHRB. So AHRB would go in that order right there. So I like to do this, and you'll see this when we start that. B is out there someplace. Okay, I got to think about what would happen for a parallelogram. All right, for a parallelogram. Well, it has opposite parallel sides. So if I draw in my two sides here, all right, I would need opposite parallel sides. So what I'm going to do is look at this thing right here, and I'll be like, all right, well, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? Okay, 6 and 6. Up 6, right 6. Well, guess what? When I start at R, I've got to do the same thing. 6. That has to be B. All right, if I think about this, that has to be B. And if I draw in my stuff here, that looks like a parallelogram to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, so they got that. So it says find and prove it's a parallelogram. All right, well, I still have to prove it's a parallelogram. It also says prove that it's formed by two isosceles triangles. I'm going to kick this out of here because we already did that on a problem earlier, and there's no point in having you do it again other than just busy work. So I am going to prove this is a parallelogram. AH, HB, BR, and AR. All right, let's zoom out. I'm going to be honest with you. I wouldn't find the distance of this because it doesn't really need it. I just would find the slope. All right. If you find the distance, it doesn't hurt anything. But if you're at this point with these proofs, I'm guessing that you've figured out that you do not need to find all of the slopes and all the distances every single time unless you really want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going 5 that way. I'm going down 2. That's not negative 5. It's 5 to the right. So it's not negative 5. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. 3, 4. Hang on, I'm counting something wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. And that is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. Up 2. All right, there we go. Had some counting issues with this one. So AH is up 6, right 6. HB is down 2, left 6. BR is down 6, left 6. And AR is up 2, left 6. 2 negatives makes a positive. We've got parallel there. We've got parallel here. All right, so I would say in this, first of all, B is located at, what did I get? 8, 2. AHBR is a parallelogram because, let's see, it has 2 sets of opposite parallel sides. And I'm covered there. So I've got that all set. All right, no issues. And actually, I crossed off that it's an isosceles triangle is good because it doesn't actually make an isosceles triangle. So that was a stupid question on my part. That only happens if it's a rhombus. It doesn't happen in a parallelogram, so that part needed to get crossed off anyways.